Alright, welcome back to the channel. If you've just joined me for the first time, then welcome. Every country had revolvers, but only one country became obsessed with making them bigger. Bigger bullets, bigger frames, more recoil, more power. The strange part isn't that America loved revolvers. It's that even after the rest of the world moved on, Americans never really did. And here's what's interesting. It wasn't because bigger revolvers were the fastest. They weren't. They weren't the easiest to shoot. They weren't the easiest to carry. So why did they become such a part of American culture? To answer that, we've got to go back a long way. Long before Hollywood, America was a frontier. Out here, your equipment mattered. Hunters, ranchers, pioneers, soldiers.
On the western frontier, where speed with a gun often meant survival.
People learned to trust simple machines that hit hard, and that idea stuck. Right to the fiber of the American experience itself. Then something happened. Better ammunition arrived. Bigger cartridges arrived. Stronger revolvers followed. Every generation pushed the limits just a little farther. Americans weren't asking, how small can we make it? They were asking, how much power can we carry? Then Hollywood noticed. Westerns, cowboys, Dirty Harry. Movies didn't invent America's fascination with big revolvers. They simply put it on the big screen. The legend was already there. By then, the revolver wasn't just a tool anymore. It had become something else. Confidence, self-reliance, independence. Whether you hunted, worked a ranch, or just spent Saturdays at the range, it meant something. Maybe that's why people still love them today. Big revolvers don't hide what they are. They're loud, they're heavy, they hit it hard, they're powerful. They demand good technique. They punish bad technique. And when you get everything right, few handguns are more satisfying to shoot. Today, polymer pistols dominate. They're lighter, they carry more rounds, they're practical. But practicality has never been the whole story. Sometimes people keep things just because of what they represent, not because they're the most efficient. That's the strange American love affair with revolvers. It was never really about capacity, weight, or even power. It was about an idea, the belief that confidence, self-reliance, and strength still mattered. And maybe that's why these old six-shooters refuse to fade away. Alright, if you like this video, you want to see more like this, feel free to check out my channel and some of the other videos and playlists on my channel. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give it a thumbs down. Thanks for watching. Thanks for coming by, and I'll see you in the next one.